Stewie, I heard a process switch can be 10,000 times slower than a regular function call. Is that real?
Indeed. Switching cost comes in three tiers: syscalls, thread switches, and process switches, each one more expensive than the last.
So let's start with the cheapest one. Thread switching is lightweight mainly because of shared memory, right?
Correct. Threads share the same address space, so the CPU doesn't need to load a new page table, just save and restore registers.
Got it. It's like the thread just changes its own current workspace without moving to a new environment. Way lighter than I thought.
Exactly. A thread switch is basically swapping stack pointers and program counters, very lightweight.
And a syscall isn't a thread switch, but it does asterisk jump from user mode to kernel mode, right? Slightly cheaper than a thread switch.
Precisely. A syscall is a mode transition, save registers, switch to kernel stat, run kernel code.
So it sets way heavier than a normal function call, but not as heavy as switching threads.
Correct? A syscall costs much more than a function call, but still less than a thread switch.
And process switching is the heavyweight champion because each process has a completely different memory space.
Absolutely. A process switch requires loading a whole new address space, invalidating caches, very expensive.
So the overall cost ranking is function call, syscall, thread switch, process switch.
Exactly. The latency difference spans multiple orders of magnitude.
But wait, every time I write logs, it's a syscall. Doesn't syscall.
It does. That's why high-performance systems minimize logging, especially on hot pads.
Okay, I think I get it. Threads are fast because they share everything. Processes are slow because they isolate everything. So for servers, threads are usually the better deal?
Yes, but the fastest option is actually coroutines, fully user mode switching.
Coroutines are that light, so they're perfect for massive concurrency with tiny tasks?
Exactly. Coroutines shine in I/O-bound workloads. CPU-bound tasks still require threads.
So in summary, minimize unnecessary switches, especially syscalls and process switches, to boost performance. Right?
Precisely. Stay in user mode as much as possible, and your performance goes up naturally.